Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title guys how to stop talkback in Google phone device. Friends, you want to stop talkback in your Google phone device, and how to stop talkback today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to stop talkback in Google phone device. Since by mistake guys you have on talkback, and guys now guys you are not operating your phone, so how to stop talkback to the friends I will show you. So first of all guys, use any two finger guys, but guys you will have to use two finger because one finger will not work. So friends, we can use guys any two finger, but guys you will have to use two finger. So we will use guys two finger. Friends, you can see guys your phone setting guys, one tap, wait here guys, double tap guys, continue guys, double tap, continue. Once you can see guys setting will on, then guys scroll it. Once you can see guys your sound vibration, display setting, wallpaper setting, and once you can see your accessibility setting. To stop talkback setting guys, you can stop from here. One tap guys, tap on accessibility setting, and guys again guys double tap, continue. Once you can see guys accessibility setting will on, so guys tap here talkback setting, double tap guys. Once you can see use talkback setting guys, tap here and double tap. Stop talkback guys, tap here and stop talkback. Friends, your talkback will stop. Friends, you can use your phone guys without any talkback setting. Friends, you can see one finger, four finger, three finger guys, we can use guys talkback without any problem. Means guys we can use our phone without any talkback problem. So like that guys, we can stop talkback setting in Google phone device. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your phone accessibility setting and guys your talkback setting guys related to your Google phone setting? Friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.